Today we will be going over pad installation and removal process for our sander. All our sander come with a 24mm flat wrench that can be found in the box along with the manual. Secure the spindle with a wrench. Insert the pad onto the spindle and gently rotate clockwise until a light force is needed to rotate, then stop. Be sure not to over-tighten the pad. For removal, secure the spindle with a flat wrench and rotate the pad counterclockwise until the pad is loosened. And these are the steps for installing and removing a pad from our sander. For more info, please visit our website. Thanks again for watching.